everyone, welcome to Western Welding Academy. My name is Tanner. I'm a student selection advisor here. Today I'm going to go over my role and how we help our students. As a student selection advisor here at Western Welding Academy, we are the first point of contact for information for students and parents. We help the students from the time they apply up until the day they arrive on campus. So the first step is going to be filling out an application. Once your application is received by us, you're going to get a phone call from myself or one of my team members. We're going to go over your application with you in a phone interview. You're going to get a chance to get to know us, ask questions, and we're going to get to know you. From there, we decide if you're accepted to be part of the program, and we're going to go on to the next step. A big thing that we're going to talk about with students and parents is financial aid, scholarships, and what it's going to take to get the student here. We have a few financial aid options to help get our students here. All of them require at least a $1,000 down payment, but they will cover tuition and housing for the full duration of the program. You can even defer your payments for up to 2 months after you graduate. We have put together a list of scholarships to help our students. We want to provide them with every resource. This list we have had multiple students have great success with. All you have to do is take the time to put in the applications. Just like the rest of our program, we have designed our housing to resemble man camp style living, just like a student's going to see on a job. Students can expect to have a $1,000 refundable security deposit for housing, just held for accidentals. You're gonna get it back as long as you show up and take care of the house that you're living in. Here at Student Selection, we strive to build long-lasting relationships with both students and parents. We talk to them extensively up until they arrive here, sometimes 1 to 2 full years, to help ensure a transition into their welding career. My favorite part of what I do here is getting to be a part of every student's individual journey, getting to watch them succeed and have a good time while they're here, and hopefully go out into the workforce and do the same thing. It's my why. It's so exciting to see what they can accomplish. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this information was helpful. If you think you have what it takes to be a student at Western Welding Academy, go to applytoweld.com. Hope to see you here.